This is going to be sort of an intake video of an hour's plus an educational one. This boat backed in, he had some running issues, and as he's backing in, I noticed that right off. And I noticed that right off. Anytime you see goo running out like that, it's coming from somewhere. This case is pretty obvious. As you could see, that bolt right there has pulled out some, and it's actually pulled into the inside of the transom. So if you push that out, the nut will be exposed inside. But if you look at the gap right there in between his swivel bracket and his boat, you can tell there's not supposed to be a gap right there. It's just because his transom is starting to fail, as you saw the cracks on the other side. So we're about to swing the motor off and see how we can shore it up and maybe get some extra life out of this without putting a new transom in it.